Well, we renewed the entire davit, all the mechanisms brand new, everything up there in the anchor locker all brand new, waterproof, everything in the gaskets, the holders, the new rails, new fenders, all the components up there waterproof, and controls. We have remote battery operated solenoids. We fueled the boat. We had to fix the forklift's high pressure fuel pump. We put the windows up there at the top. There's a picture of the yard, and we started on all the hatches, added the soundproofing, had to seal the back ones so no water could get in, made all the handles through bolted with weld nuts on the back instead of just screwed in, and worked on the steps, and then filled up all the tanks with water, 250 gallon. We're protecting the decks all over. You have to for this work, everywhere. Now we've added the lights and the covers for the VHF antennas, the foot switches for the davit, the anchor windlass, new clevis on the davits, new wire rope, the port side nav light, port side, the rope cover, finished the gaskets, and then the holder for the latch to keep the hatch open. Now we're up to 6 fenders with covers, got the davit remote on there, got the rails all the way up and down the left and right, got the covers over the vents, got the horns over there on the... adding the manual bilge pump to the cockpit.